Hi guys, welcome back to Gunslinger TV. We're just doing a little fishing. Me and Sarah, she's filming me today. Decided to pick up the camera and the GoPro to see what we can catch, so we're just gonna bring y'all along. Alright guys, y'all just totally missed it. I just got body slammed by pine straw. Again. Little guy. Dude, look at that one. He sure did want it. Dang. One-fourth ounce jig head. Those ball heads from TikTok, actually. Next pond. This is where me and Sean started off the last video. If you haven't seen that, go check that out. Maybe Sarah catch a fish. I'm winning right now, 3-0. So let's see what happens. Go ahead and click the follow button right here. I know it's usually here, but click the follow button. We're almost at 20,000. We're getting close. Okay, so we have Orange Beach, Biloxi, Emerald Coast, and then we go to Bay Point, which is in Panama City, and then we go back to the Orange Beach, the wharf, with the Blue Marlin Grand Championship. So y'all go check out the Instagram, click the follow, go to this post, say you'll be there or where you'll be. We are going to upload a kind of like a cigarette poker run thing if y'all want to know where we'll be. Come hang out. But if you see our boats out there at Crab Island, shoot me a text. Oh my gosh. Shoot me a text or a DM on Instagram. And let me send me pictures. Let me know you're out there. I might let you come look at the boats. What's up, brother? New pond. Same objective. Big fish. I have a feeling Sarah's about to catch a big fish with that Texas rig. They killed a bunch of the stuff from this pond. It's floating now. And all that grass that was on top, like the lilies, whatever they were, they've killed them all. Now they're floating. So I think Sarah's about to have a good chance of catching a big fish up underneath there. So, oh, there's fish busting. That means it's time to fish. No, you don't know nothing but bugs till we get to the next one. Oh my gosh. Hey, here we go. All that fish I caught earlier could have ate this one. Or this one. Oh. Okay. That one could have ate all the other ones I've caught. What I was trying to say. Alright guys, as you can tell, we're at a new pond. And if you remember a couple videos back, all this stuff was alive. They've killed it. So, oh my god, a tree pounder, holy crap. We're doubled up. We're doubled up.
What the?
No. We're doubled up.
Who's this bigger?
Fish bump. Sarah's fish, dark and all mangled up. Look at him. Buddy's having a hard time. See you later. Hey, we doubled. New pond. Fish, guarantee it. Guaranteed it. Hell no. Yeah. I told you I guaranteed it. Hey, there we go. Chill, dude. I know. Heck yeah. Heck yeah.
Only dog just makes me sad.
5 pounder right here.
I do see one on duck and dog. That's cool.
Yeah. Before we go, see that hole over there under those trees? We'll try to get this crawl under there. Close. I have a feeling something's under there. Oh my god. Yo, be sure to go check out the new Billfish Gunslinger shirts. Order them today. Link down in the description. We'll have it right here too. Go order a shirt. We may be doing a giveaway. Heck yeah, I'm not gonna say yes or no, but
Told you I had a feeling.
we're gonna be doing a giveaway to whoever buys a shirt. A lot of people are buying shirts. They're selling out. So go order one now, and you might be a lucky winner. I know who's ordered. I get an email every time we sell a shirt. So go check that out. And
Hi guys.
let's get back into the video.
They seem to be. They seem to be under the shade today since it's been so hot. He was up under the shade, but 1/4 ounce jig head with some 6-cents swim bait. I have to look at the name of it, but it's working pretty good today, and the other times I've used it. So see if we can catch a big fish. Fingers crossed. Hey, there's a sea fish. Oh, someone might do that. Can't stop the Demiki rig. Told you I had a feeling to. Chill. Another one. Thank you. It's crazy that I have a feeling there was another one over there. See if we can get that back. What's that? Go ahead and let me know down in the comments. Dang, the cocoa died. Am I going to catch another fish right here? Let me know down in the comments if you think you can catch a fish right here. Oh, that is freaking man.
My goodness. Oh my gosh, that freaking quality. Stay in. Stay in. Stay in. No more drinking.
Oh my gosh, I caught it. Oh. Biggest fish of the day.
Alright, the GoPro's back in action, baby. Or the frog. Buzzbait frog, buzzbait frog. I like to cut down his legs back here a little, so they don't have, you can only eat the hooks really. On all my frogs I usually cut it down a little, so maybe we won't miss a bunch. Oh my, no way. Dude. This is right there. This little frog, it's not heavy enough to get it over there really. Oh, there we go. Ow. Ow. Oh my gosh! Dude, I didn't have time to freaking turn my handle. Oh my. Dude, no way. I don't even know if y'all saw that. My gosh, I didn't even have time to turn the handle from free spool. As soon as he freaking hit the water, just got annihilated. Dang, dude. Really? Come on, that would have been a perfect cast. There it is. Of course, dude, I went to scratch my arm and he freaking took it under. Oh my gosh. You gotta be joking. I went to scratch my arm and he took it. Oh my gosh, come on. What is going on with me? Come on, dude. Dude, come on. It's dark. I don't even know if you haven't seen anymore.
We won't call it there. One more cast. Nope, we're calling it there. Nah, one more. Where should I throw? Left or right, Sarah? Right? Nope. Alright, let's call it. Well, did we accomplish anything? Yes. We caught some fish. Did we catch a big one? No. Am I filming on the GoPro? Yes. Did the battery die in the big camera? Yes. All around, fun day. Fun little afternoon with Sarah. Caught a couple fish. I smacked her. She caught one. But sun's going down. It's getting too dark to see on the GoPro, so we're gonna call it. But should have another bass fishing video here soon. I think we're gonna fish tomorrow, I believe. But yeah, make sure to go subscribe now. Make sure to go follow us on Instagram. At 20,000 followers, we're doing a huge giveaway. We'll explain it all when we hit 20,000. Make sure to go follow there. If you want to see more bass fishing content, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, comment down below what you want to see next, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.